Hey folks, it is Kevin here in Japan. It's been a long time since I've done a GoPro video. And I am here in Kobe, Japan. It is Monday, July 20th. And it happens to be my birthday. It's my birthday today. I turned 40. The big 4-0. Now, hey, it's Monday, and you're saying, hey Kevin, how come you're not at work? Well, it is a holiday. It's Umi no Hi here in Japan. Umi no Hi means Ocean Day. It's just by coincidence, my birthday falls on a national holiday. And I'm just on the island where I live, Port Island. This is a man-made island in Kobe Harbor. And I've been asked to vacate the house by my wife while she gets the birthday preparations underway. So I've my basket here, my mamachari. I've got a bag. I've got my DSLR camera inside. I've got a water bottle because it's bloody hot today, so I can rehydrate. And I'm off, just kind of trucking around, seeing if I can get any kind of nature shots taken, where it be. There's some pigeons. I'm not going to waste my memory on them. You know, pictures of birds or little bugs or nice flowers, so that I'm working on my nature photography chops. So there's a little spot up here where I know there's some long grass and stuff. Obviously, it's a pretty urban area, right? Oh, what's going on here? Oh no, I hope they're not cutting. I hope they're not cutting the grass in the area I want to go. They're cutting all this down. They shave it. They don't do a very good job at cutting it. It's kind of a scorched earth policy when it comes to taking care of. Okay, that's my cycling app. Here, my iPhone in my pocket. Okay, so the guys are up here doing some kind of yard work. I'm going this way if I can. Oh. Alright, so I'm gonna go up this way. There was a horse riding stable here. It's gone now. It opened a few years ago. It was only open for a few months and it went out of business and they tore the building down. So there's a trail here that leads to nowhere. Like, it looked like a really cool hiking, walking trail that I could get up and walk my bike in case I see something cool. There is a really cool little trail here with some good vegetation and stuff, and it's kind of peaceful. I used to run here when I was running, and for some reason it's kind of like a park. See the nice lamps that was made around part of the island. And hold on a second, guys, I'm gonna sling my DSLR around my neck for a moment here. Right, there we go. Yay, now we're in action. Yeah, this nice trail that apparently looks like it's gone around a good chunk of the island, but this little port. See, there we go. There's a songbird. I'm gonna leave my bike right here. Oh, and look at that, there's a black kite. So that bird flying over there, that's a black kite. That is a raptor. It's flying over these little fields trying to find something interesting to eat. Problem is when you hear birds like this, easy to hear them, real hard to find them. And then I gotta try to take a shot through this fence. There it is. What is that? Well, I'm sure there's more, and that's why I came to this area. Well, let's walk up here and see. It's, you know, you work with what you got. Oh, by the way, over there is K Computer My, the Rican Research Institute, the big building. Did have the fastest computer in the world a few years back. Then I think IBM surpassed them and maybe some other computers. It was in the news recently that they are now the fastest computer in the world again. So it's summertime. There's a little butterfly. Oh wait, that's a grasshopper, isn't it? Big grasshopper there. Is he right? Where'd it go now? In there somewhere. These little asters, you see these around all over the place. Oh, there goes the Portliner train coming from Kobe Airport. A little bit breezy. I've got the fur windscreen on my GoPro here. Oh, here we go. See that bird? That is called a little tern. As a seabird, diving bird. It's really cool. They dive down into the ocean or ponds and grab up little fish. Kind of looks like a miniature version of a seagull. And there's the ocean. That's a breakwater there. The ocean's right over on the other side. And over there is Kobe Airport Island. A couple of sparrows. You can hear a lot of grasshoppers hopping around. Look at this, there's a bench here. Been taken over by nature. There's another bench in here. When I was a kid growing up in eastern Canada, this is a kind of like grass or material, like this was always like a prime spot for a hornet's nest or a wasp nest. I remember that, like you'd see long grass like that and it was almost seemed like it was a guarantee there was going to be a wasp nest inside it. Oh, there's another grasshopper. There's so many different types of these little critters around. So I'll follow him or her and take some photos. There it goes. Potential food for a barn swallow or something. Wow, it is a gorgeous day. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The ocean. That's Awaji Island over there, Awajishima. And you can see maybe in the distance there's a bridge. So we've got mainland Honshu, which I'm on now. Actually, I'm not on mainland Honshu. I'm on a man-made island in the middle of the harbor. But over there you can see those mountains. That's the Roko mountain range. And some kind of songbird over here. And then that bridge is the Akashi Kaikyo Bridge, which is the... What is that? What are you? You're some kind of little warbler, aren't you? Arr, I'm not going to be able to find you down there. That's the longest suspension bridge in the world. And that's a connecting Awaji Island. Gorgeous though, huh? Beautiful day, beautiful day. Or as a Canadian, I guess I should say gorgeous, eh? Gorgeous, eh? Where's my poutine? Alright, let's continue trucking along here and see if we can find anything. And I want to thank you guys for joining me. My little point of view fun nature walk thing, as nature walking as I can get. And there is a person. You don't see those too often on. Actually, I think it's the first time I've ever seen another person up here when I'm walking along. eagle. I don't know if this person might. A herring gull. Taking some photos because it's really beautiful here. This deserves a panorama, I think. What do you think? Another one. Cool. Sorry about that, guys. More benches reclaimed by nature. Yeah, this is a nice day to get out of the house. One more spot after this. Gonna walk down here for a little while. Well, I mean, it just basically ends around this turn, I believe. Head back to my bike, and then I'm gonna head down by some universities over this way. I'm gonna head over there and take some more pictures of maybe some ocean-type birds. Whoa, what was that? That was huge. Is that a grasshopper? That startled me. Holy cow. That thing was massive. Oh well. What are you in there? Something. You never know in Japan if it's gonna be something that's gonna give you a nasty sting. Like, there we go, there's an Ashinagabachi, there's a hornet. So just as soon as I say, you never know what you might find, it might be something that give you a sting. There's a hornet, big hornet too. Not an Osuzumebachi, but an Ashinagabachi. So kind of zooming around over there. So, oh my goodness. Critters over here. More hornets over there. I see another Ashinagabachi. I got stung by one a few weeks ago. Bloody hurt. Really hurt. Let's check now. Let's see if this area is still fenced off. I think I see the fence down there. Yeah, I don't get it. Why? Now, if for some reason they've removed the fence and this path continues up this way, I'll go back and get my bike and I'm going to cycle along here and enjoy the heck out of it. 7 years I've lived on this island. There's another big grasshopper. Look at that camouflage. See, right there. Big brown one. Hey, buddy. Wow, and this pavement's hot. Definitely seeing a few cool little critters. I guess I'm getting all softy pop on you in this video, huh? No way. No way. Have they removed the fence? No way. Oh my God, so sweet. There has been a fence here for 7 years. I'm going that way. I'm so happy. Oh my goodness. Getting on the bike, guys. Going back to get the bike. I am so happy. 7 years and they finally removed the fence. Okay, let's do this. Oh yeah, guys, thank you for joining me. I'll make a second video where I drive along this little path. Okay, see you later. Kevin in Japan. Check all the links below.